How to create a Clearpay account. So basically, if you want to create a Clearpay account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Clearpay app, and once you've launched it, you'll see this type of interface right here. Now you can log in if you already have an account, but if you don't, you can tap on create account button, choose the email and password you want to use, and also enter your mobile number. Once you've done that, just tap on the create account button by entering and choosing your password and mobile. Enter the card number if you have any sort of payment methods. Then once done, enter the SMS code that will be sent to your email and the phone number. After you've done that, you can enter your legal first name and last name and details according to your legal details. And once done, you can also set up a PIN or a code to be able to finish creating your Clearpay account. And this way you'll be able to create your Clearpay account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.